In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create a test or quiz. Google Forms is an incredibly powerful tool that's part of Google's suite of Office applications. It's perfect for educators looking to easily set up tests or quizzes, but also for anyone who needs to gather data or conduct surveys effectively and seamlessly. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open Google Forms. You can easily find it by searching for Google Forms directly through your browser or by navigating to it via Google Drive. Once you're there, click on the plus icon to start a new form. This will bring up a blank form for you to begin creating your quiz or test. In the upper left corner, you'll see the form title area. Click here to give your quiz a descriptive name that reflects its content, something like Biology Chapter 5 Quiz if you're a teacher, or perhaps Customer Satisfaction Survey Part 1 if you're collecting feedback on a product or service. Underneath the title, you can enter a brief description that clarifies the purpose of the form for your respondents. Now, it's time to start adding questions. Google Forms allows various types of questions, such as multiple choice, short answer, or even checkboxes, depending on how you'd like your participants to respond. You can select these options from a drop-down menu next to your question field. Start by selecting multiple choice for a straightforward question type, ideal for quizzes. Input your question in the provided space and then fill out the options for your participants to choose from. If your quiz will have more than a few questions, it may be beneficial to divide them into sections. To do this, simply click on the Add Section icon on the toolbar to the right of your form. Sections can help make your quiz organized and easier for respondents to navigate, especially when dealing with longer assessments. Once you've added all of your questions and organized them into sections if needed, it's important to configure your form settings to meet your precise needs. To start, click on the Settings icon at the top, which looks like a gear. Here, you can specify if you'd like to collect email addresses, whether or not responses will be anonymous, and what messages respondents will receive on completion of the test. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, it's time to share your quiz. Click on the Send button in the upper right corner. You can choose to send the quiz via email, copy a shareable link, or embed it directly into a web page if preferred. And that's it. You've now created a test or quiz using Google Forms, ready to send out and gather insights. Whether you're an educator, business professional, or anyone else who needs to collect structured responses, Google Forms makes the process simple and efficient. Happy form making!